Hello guys! Hello. I know you miss me. But, hey, sorry. Kasi guys, bago lang ako dito. Kung pwede ba kayo subscribe na kayo please. Kasi gusto ko talaga mag-subscribe kayo. Please lang. Kasi guys, kung gusto niya ako mag-live, mag-subscribe kayo! Kasi kailangan ko ng 1 to 2 na subscribers ata. Basta, wait lang. Mag-chat lang ako dito sa team ko. Guys, don't hit
So today is the last day I'm able to do anything. Starting Uma, someone's gonna start digging the farmers, so she's gonna the bata is gonna arrive any day. So then when the bata is here, starting Uma, I'm gonna be with her every single one of her day. So today is the last day.
wait. I'm gonna eat it because, you know, I'm a picky eater. Hey.
So today is the last day I'm able to do anything. Starting Uma, someone's gonna start digging the farmers, so she's gonna the bata is gonna arrive any day. So then when the bata is here,
What is that?
every single one of her day. So today is the last.
Oh, bandage. We really need that because I think my teammates are dying every time. You know, not dying. Ooh, revolver, not bad. Sorry, is if I, you know, staying. Will fell to me. I think I'm deep in the forest. Wait. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. Scared. Yeah, scared. So many things. Need to get there fast. So many things. Oh my god, guys. Nahuli ako. Sana sobra.
Suerte kay Daddy. So, go, Pusgan. Is model, dito model, ako, IBH.
Guys, ang daming balls. Tapos, ilalagay lang nila sa ano.
No payment, free of
Sa
charge
file.
to download. Come to feel my passion.
Mama, suerte kay Daddy. So,
What? Guys, sabi ng look. Tapos, wala naman siya sinasabi na ano. Kung napapanood mo tong lalaki ka, sorry. Guys, nainggit ako. Oh my God, sino nahanap mo? What house? Sorry, sorry. Oh. ako. Hello, sana all! Hindi ko kasi nabuto, nakakais naman eh. Sabi, you know, like babati. Nari, that's the nari, fried chicken, nari. Good those sticks. Na 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 nari, na 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 nari, na na. Guys, puro trick yung sinasabi sa akin. Wala man lang treat. Uy, yung Pel Trader! Teka, treat. Trick, bakit trick? Oh, thank you. Thank you naman. Sa bandage. Hindi that.
Reaction po, sir, regarding sa allegation po ni former President Duterte regarding sa black item.
He's lying. He's a president. He knows that you cannot pass a law without without blind. He's lying. He's lying because he knows perfectly well that that doesn't ever happen. Sa kasaysayan ng buong Pilipinas, hindi pinapayagan na magkaroon ng item ang GAA nang hindi nakalagay kung ano yung project at saka ano yung
Wala, Patrick!
gastos, ano yung pondo. So, it's a lie.
Kanina, Mr. Chair, on record, at in line dun sa questioning ni Representative De Lima, meron na mga initial na mga pinag-check, Mr. Kaya. Kaya so merong kapangalanan, tapos biglang atras, nagre-request ng executive session, tapos biglang atras. At seemingly, nililito niya na itong committee ito sa pag-uncover ng katotohanan at paiwas na doon sa mga line of questioning na binabanggit. So paano naman tayo magpo-proceed kung
Guys, talaga, trick yung nakahanap ko. Batman must come to bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do if you come to you? Ay! So, yun lang guys. Bye!